Hello, welcome, and my name is Kevin Christian Lau, and I'll be discussing what is queue. So, queue, it's somewhat the same as stack. Its definition is somewhat the same as stack, but it's different on how to add and remove the elements. Say, the example I can make is a bunch of people lining up for a movie premiere in a mall. So we have a bunch of people here, and this is the cinema. Maybe you already know how queue works in cinema. So we say we have these people with numbers on their heads for our convenience, and when the first person, let's say, line up, now that's the person in the queue. I'm gonna put the second person. Ayan. 3. And when the first person already gives the ticket to the person in charge, gonna go in, and this one's gonna move forward. It's gonna add someone here, and this person is gonna go inside, and another person. So the logic is what I'm trying to show here. It's also the same with in data structure when implementing the queue. So in data structure, in order to implement the queue, we must have an array right here. So in queue, the same as stack, we must have pointers, 2 pointers, the first pointer and second pointer. So let's say we have an empty queue. We're going to initialize the pointer here and index 1 at index 0. This means that the array or the queue is empty. So we can say, let's say we have the first person, which is on the queue now, and we'll have 1 here. So the second pointer will move to the second index, and next we will have the second person here on the line. Now we have the second person. We have 2 in the array, this the second element, and the third person will come in. Now the pointer will move to the right. We have 3, and take note that the first pointer still remains at the first element because the first person is still here. And let's say the first person goes into the cinema. The first person, yeah, goes into the cinema. The first pointer will move to the next element, which is on the right. We don't have to remove this because it is indicated that the queue is between these pointers, between the 2 pointers, with 2, 3, 4. So let me just go ahead here and add them up. And what if the 5? We'll add now. Next is gonna have 5 here, and the pointer will move again. So what if the 2 is gonna go inside? The pointer will move here.